Seasonality. It's a topic that keeps coming up, and it's a factor that does influence the ACMI business and just the industry in general. How would you describe how seasonality influences passenger cargo flows, as well as Avia Solutions Group's own business decisions as well?
Cargo, narrow-bodies cargo has no seasonality because except probably the Christmas holidays. Wide-bodies cargo has a seasonality. It's a fourth quarter because of the Christmas and holiday trades. But as I said, our cargo activity is just supplementing to our existing commercial aviation business. We're historical there. We bought several companies which operates in that field. But we're planning that it will be no more than 10% of our activity. So we are just concentrating on the seasonality on passenger aviation. And holidays is a main driver for that.
Still on the topic of seasonality, especially for ACMI, what gap in the market would you say allows ACMI to exist, especially today in the commercial aviation market?
No, very common example. For example, you're sitting in Poland and you're planning with your family holidays, where to go, and you have a $1,500 per person. So its flight should be not longer than 5 hours. And you want sun. And you want 25 plus degrees. It's impossible to find destination for such budget and within 5 flight hours range, because the closest destination is 7 hours, and here Dubai, which is in different budget segment. So you need to get wide body to fly Maldives, Thailand, Bali, Mexico, but it's total different budget. So I mean, there is nothing extraordinary. You cannot use any innovations here. It's just geographical station. If mountains 3 kilometers, you have no plans. And what to do? You can innovate, you can plant some trees or whatever, but it will be artificial. So the same here. We have a climate zones, and we have a routes. For example, Canada is in almost the same is in the same climate zone like Nordic Europe, but within 4 hours, 5 hours flight, we have Caribbeans, because cities are concentrated in east coast of the continent, and they have Caribbean. So that's why, because of very huge nature, people stays at home in summer, but in winter they have traffic called snowbird. And many people, because of minus 25 plus degrees Celsius, they fly to Caribbean to get the sun. So it's again, climate zone and geographic situation.